Have you ever noticed how many wealthy people are older? It's not just a coincidence. Building wealth often takes time, like a seed slowly growing into a strong tree. The older we get, the more time we have to nurture our finances and watch them flourish. Think of it like a recipe. The ingredients for wealth are things like hard work, smart choices, and wise investments. But the secret ingredient that brings it all together is time. The longer you let those ingredients simmer and combine, the richer and more flavorful the result. It's easy to feel discouraged when we see others achieving financial success quickly. But remember, everyone's journey is different. Instead of focusing on overnight riches, let's explore the factors that make age an advantage in building wealth. One of the most incredible tools for wealth creation is compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and bigger. That's compounding in action. When you invest your money, it has the potential to earn interest. And the exciting part is that this interest can then earn even more interest. This snowball effect can lead to incredible growth over time, especially if you start early. Even small, consistent contributions to your savings or investments can make a huge difference in the long run. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. It's like planting a tree. The best time was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Think about your dream job. It probably comes with a comfortable salary and great benefits, right? Now imagine yourself fresh out of school, just starting your career. You might not land your dream job right away, and that's okay. Most careers are like climbing a ladder. You start with entry-level positions, gaining experience and knowledge as you climb higher. Each step up the ladder often comes with increased responsibilities and, you guessed it, a higher salary. As we gain experience and expertise in our chosen fields, we become more valuable to employers. This often translates into promotions, raises, and greater earning potential. The years we spend honing our skills and building our careers are an investment in our future financial well-being. Section 4. The Entrepreneur's Journey. Sowing seeds for future harvest. Starting a business is like planting a seed. It requires time, dedication, and a lot of hard work to nurture it into a thriving enterprise. Many successful entrepreneurs spend years, even decades, building their businesses from the ground up. The early years of a business often involve reinvesting profits back into the company to fuel its growth. This means entrepreneurs may not see significant personal wealth right away, even if their businesses are successful. It's a long-term investment that requires patience and resilience. However, the rewards of entrepreneurship can be immense. Building a successful business not only creates financial wealth, but also offers a sense of accomplishment and the freedom to pursue your passions. And often, the most successful entrepreneurs are those who have weathered storms and learned from their mistakes along the way. Section 5. A message for the young time is your greatest asset. If you're young and reading this, you might be thinking, but I don't want to wait until I'm old to be wealthy. That's fantastic. The beauty is, you don't have to. In fact, you have something incredibly valuable on your side: time. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start making smart financial decisions, the more time your money has to grow. This doesn't mean you need to be a financial expert overnight. Start by learning the basics of saving, investing, and budgeting. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs along the way, but consistency and patience are key. Embrace the power of time, make informed choices, and watch as your financial future blossoms.